If you ever wish you could turn simple text into a stunning video in a minute, today I'm gonna show you how to picture can make it happen, even if you have zero video editing skill. Pictory is an AI-powered video creation tool. You just give it your simple script, blog post, or even capture from a Zoom call, and it automatically creates a professional looking video complete with the image, clips, and voiceover. It's a website of a Pictoria. You can simply open in by the search of a Google. You write down the Pictoria. Here is the second link is the official link of this website. When you click in this click, it's open the website. Here you see in your screen here is a layout of the website where you see the many feature tool and use cases and many things on this side because it provide the information about this thing on his side. It's a very easy way to create a professional video for a digital marketer. The people who work on a digital marketing is this tool for these people. So first we need to create a account on this website first. So we click on a get start with free uh, when you profession on this tool. After that you need so we after that you purchase this subscription, and now I'm continue with my Google account. It take a few minutes to open the website. Here is the option. After you see that there is a dashboard where you create your project. It provides you the home button and project where all the project your lives and brand kit. All these features we discuss in this video of says one by one. There's a text to video, URL to video, and a editor option, image to video, and PPT video, and many other things available on this session. Believe me, guys, this is a very powerful tool for the video editor. And in the login side, you provide your account information, your subscription information, and any other thing. If you want to create a team and a team manager all this type of thing for you, so you easily create your team. Here all the information you need, just put on this form and just click on a button and your team is create there. In my upcoming video I'm all his feature on this website explaining very deeply. On this video I'm just only provide you the brief knowledge about this site and login information, how you log on this and subscription information. If you like my video, please kindly subscribe my channel, like and share with your fellow who work on this field. Thank you. Bye bye.